Being responsible. What does being responsible mean for all of us? It means keeping promises and commitments towards our loved ones in simple, everyday decisions. It also means something as important as securing our family's future. So let's hear from a panel of experts today on how responsibility can lead to living a life of pride. We have with us a very distinguished panel today, starting with Vibha Padalkar, MD and CEO of HDFC Life, and our colleagues, Mr. Suresh Badami, who is the Executive Director, Mr. Parvez Mullah, who is our Chief Operating Officer, and Mr. Vibhash Nayak, the Chief Human Resource Officer. First, I would like to start with Ms. Vibha Padalkar. So Vibha, could you tell us the importance of being responsible and creating awareness about life insurance in the Indian context?
It is a responsibility of each of our employees, including myself, to create awareness and educate our existing as well as prospective customers about the importance of right financial planning. We need to help them understand important concepts such as human life value, what sum assured means, and how much is considered to be a bare minimum cover, and so on. It is also the responsibility of our customers and public at large to educate themselves and their loved ones about the basics of life insurance. It is important that discussions on the adequacy of insurance becomes as much a dinner table conversation as the latest movie on OTT or IPL scores.
That was such a wonderful insight from Vibha. Life insurance should be a part of our everyday discussions because it plays such an important role in our lives to secure the future of our families and our loved ones. Let's understand more about being responsible. What does it mean for consumers and who carries this responsibility? To talk about this, we have with us Mr. Suresh Badami.
For me, being responsible is moving away from just awareness to a state of action. From a life insurance perspective, what is being responsible about? The way I would cut it is across three. One, as a company, where we need to make sure that we look at products and design products which are good for our end customer. The second is that we ensure that we service customers well, whether it's in terms of claims or whether it's in terms of ensuring that their maturities reach them on time in these tough conditions. The customers themselves, I think, they need to look at being responsible. A lot of us are underinsured. A lot of us really don't know what kind of products where we need to make sure that there is no lapsation on our particular policies. People don't pay enough attention to that, and when really the claim comes in, some of these inefficiencies end up where the customer doesn't get or the customer's nominees don't get what they should be getting. Secondly, of course, is to look at the entire solutions which are available. A lot of us may think that we have enough term, but we have really not thought through in terms of our retirement planning. So there are longevity solutions which are available, and the customer should be looking at it end to end in terms of ensuring that there is mortality, morbidity, and longevity cover. And finally, us ourselves as an employees, I think that is also equally critical in being responsible. As always, we want to sell right. We want to make sure that our customers know and have the right fit of products which are made available to them.
Thanks, Suresh. Being responsible at all life stages has evolved into being a necessity in the post-COVID world. I completely agree that we as consumers must take the steps forward towards being responsible, whether it is planning for our own financial goals or securing the future with adequate life cover. I would now request Parvez to tell us more about how we are making life insurance easier, simpler, and more accessible to customers, especially during these tough times.
Yes, Vishal. As you know, over the past few years, HDFC Life has heavily invested in simplifying the product, process, and delivery to make it easy for the customer, and especially so during these times. Almost 85 to 90% of our transactions happen digitally for the customer. So the customer is able to finish the transaction on a mobile or on the net, WhatsApp, Alexa, or even through bots. Balanced customers who are visiting our branches are serviced over the counter through well-equipped vintage staff Customers who want to do renewals can do so through more than 10 to 15 online options. Claim settling has also been enabled through a 3-click process. Our senior citizen customers can submit life certificate digitally. Our Retirals website is a one-stop shop for all retirement needs of customers. We have made specialized buying journeys for ULIP, for term. We have pre-approved offers, our selfie journeys. Furthermore, customers who are buying insurance through our partner websites get integrated and smooth experience in buying, servicing and claims. Our investments in cloud, API marketplace, AI-based underwriting, payment middleware ensure that customers get a seamless experience at scale. We're constantly working towards improving and providing best-in-class customer experience and being responsible towards our customers.
Let us also try and explore the responsibility that lies with each one of us to lead to a better tomorrow. I would now request Vibhash to come forward and talk a little bit about this.
The thought of being responsible conveys and emphasizes the value of ensuring oneself and those we care about. Only when our family is safe can we go forth and serve our consumers and society. Thus, first and foremost, we urge our employees to take the responsible step by ensuring themselves and their families. It is the responsibility of each one of us as individuals, customers, viewers, employees and partners to spread this awareness of life insurance in our own capacity. Everyone deserves a life of dignity and pride, and we must do our part in educating ourselves and others about life insurance.
I completely agree with you, Vibhash. The responsibility to ensure our well-being, secure our future, protect our families lies with all of us, with you, me, each one of us. With those closing comments, I would like to sign off with the thought, let's take the first step towards being responsible.